A little late. New radiators in. We already had one. We put a. We had to put a new one. We had to switch it out. Went to the T1 trigger. I'm bad at picking up cameras. Sometimes I'm just ready to rock and roll. Cams, we did both sides. Yes, no ground yet. Cams, both sides. You can see it's got the magnets on that one. No magnets on that one, but I wanted to pair. Pulleys back on. Torqued. Cover's not on yet. I'm cleaning the bolts. We did a HD Speed Factory spring and the Della Cruz extended keyway with their washer. Shout out to J-Rock. We changed the fitting for the fuel pressure to a push connect. We do have all the wiring out. We are getting ready for coils. This one don't even have a plug in it. Going to coils. No distributor. Swap the obviously the distributor out for the 4-piston one, and I changed that one also to the new style 4-piston. The other one was flat face. I cleaned up in here. Coolant pressure sensor. Again, all my wiring is off to get ready for another harness. We're also going to run a 4-4. Right now it's to a monster can, but J-Rock does carry track tough stuff, so we might get another one. See what happens. Again, shout out to J-Rock. Got another 90 fitting down here, which is going to take the map sensor for the vtec. On the other side, got the vacuum port, hard to see, vacuum port right down there. The straight we got from J-Rock, so we could take the silicone hose off and use a quick connect fuel pressure regulator. Fuel pressure pressure sensor. We're going with that. We are going with a oil temperature sensor. Obviously in the back, we just have to swap it out. Got the adapter for the Moroso oil pan, 1/2 inch, with the 1/8 MPT, vtec, temperature sensor. Vtec pressure sensor. We're still in the process of getting the lights cleaned. OEM came with the car. OEM just picked up from obviously a used car. Harness should be in the process of getting made. Subframe has to come out. I know it sounds like a lot of work, but subframe has to come out because my harness actually goes back underneath the subframe, right where that green light is. I don't know if you can see it. There's a hole underneath. Hard to see, but it goes underneath there. So we're going to drop the subframe and kind of just clean that all up, make that all nice, get that all back in there. Like I said, we got fuel line PTFE now with a high flow 90 down to a high flow, I think that's a 35, to a radium fill filter and radium so we did the feed, which is -6 PTFE, and then we did a -6 return PTFE all the way back to the tank. High flow 90, going down right in underneath Same thing underneath my subframe. You could barely see it down in there. Right to the right of the steering shaft. So, and then again, feed -6 all the way up. That might be a 45 and that might be a 35, something like that. Can't really remember, but yeah, subframe comes out, and then we start working on that and getting the as soon as the wire harness gets here, you start plugging things back up. Coils, trigger cam. So trigger cam, coolant pressure, fuel pressure, and oil temperature are the 4 sensors we added, and then the coil packs, and then we're running a vtec 550. So see what happens. Not bad. Just kind of let this rock. Just kind of chills. And then we put this baby back together. Got some fire coming for these, for bumper lights. We'll see how this works. We might redo those. I did a shitty job. Ugh, crappy job. But give it a try, see what happens. And then probably the little lip rubber, and these are gonna be black. It's gonna be sick, you'll see. And then yeah, you'll see, we got stuff coming.